Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be covering 5 things that I will never ever buy regardless of the hype. So if you guys are interested on my thoughts and opinions, please keep on watching. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Em and this is ThatsLuxe. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd love to do so, please click the red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. So you guys, I've seen a lot of this video around here on YouTube, and I figured I might as well jump on the bandwagon. I'm a little late on the game, but hey, here we are. So 5 things that I would never ever buy regardless of the hype. I really thought about this one, and it was a little hard because, as you can tell, I'm a little bit of a handbag addict. So I really thought about it, and 5 things that I would never ever buy. The first thing that came to mind is actually designer clothes. When I was a little bit more younger, I have designer coats and I have a few designer like shirts and whatnot, like formal shirts, but never ever anything outside of that. Like I have, like the only designer things that I have clothes wise, I think, are Burberry jackets. And after that, I'm pretty much just a simple person when it comes to clothes, because I'm a firm believer that clothes go bad really fast since you always wear them and wash them. And I feel like it's a waste of money to invest in expensive designer clothes, because like what Lay said, I will link her channel down below. Hi babe. She said that she would never ever buy like those logo tees, which I adore on other people, especially on like Jerusha or L&M or Jen G. That's her screen name. I will also link her down below. But you guys, I just can't. Like, one shirt is $500. I could save that money to buy a handbag eventually, you know what I mean? Or go on a trip or do something else with it. So I just can't fathom the fact that I have to spend that much money on a pair of shirt or pants that would eventually go bad. And yes, I know that designer sometimes last a longer time and they fit very well, but I just can't, you guys. So let's move on to the second one. The second item that I would never ever buy are Christian Louboutins or the red bottom shoes. They are infamous for being the most sexiest and like beautiful shoes ever that ever was created. But you guys, I had a horrible experience with Christian Louboutin shoes when I was 19. Very first pair of Loubs were a patent black Pigalle. I think they were Pigalle. And literally I was fitted wrong by this guy at Saks, and every time I see him, because he still works there, you guys, after all these years, I despise him because he made me pay so much money for shoes that barely even fit me because they were too big for me. So I bought the shoes, wore them for sweetest day 1 year, and that was it, because by the end of the night my feet were slipping off them. And obviously the red bottoms, when you wear them, it scrapes on the bottom and you can't return those. So that was it. I eventually gave those pair to my cousin, and I swore to never ever buy the Christian Louboutin shoes ever again. Plus, the way how my feet are, they don't fit properly on my feet for some reason. They just feel really uncomfortable, and everyone else that I've seen wear them, the other time I was just at the wedding, oh my god, all these people that were wearing red bottom shoes, they look like they were about to die, and I just can't with it, you guys. So that is it. I would never ever buy red bottom shoes ever. So the third thing that I would never ever buy are Fendi pieces. Yes, I love them. I think they're very trendy, very chic, and very classic at the same time, but I just can't, you guys. With the pricing of Fendi pieces, I can't with it. The only thing that I would ever consider from Fendi is the Fendi Peekaboo, but even that is a little bit questionable since the pricing is comparable to Chanel, you guys, or even more expensive sometimes, and the resale value of Fendi is just not the best. It just doesn't keep its value. I don't know why. I think they're beautiful. I think it's a beautiful brand. I just can't with it. Especially the canvas ones. Sorry you guys, I just feel like Louis Vuitton is a little bit better, and pricing is not as bad as Fendi, and resale value is a little bit better. So if you have Fendi, kudos to you, just not for me, you guys. I hope I don't offend anyone. So let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is one of the things that I wish I could rock, but I can't because that's just not my style. And I'm talking about luxury belts in general. I'm talking about the Gucci ones, the Louis Vuitton. I know that Givenchy is releasing a very, very classy looking belt, but I just don't wear belts, you guys. And I just feel like it's a little bit pricey for something that is going to be used to hold up my pants. Yeah. Also, I feel like it makes or breaks an outfit, and sometimes I feel like it dates an outfit a little bit when you wear a belt, and maybe because I'm just not a belt person, so I can't relate, but that is the 4th thing that I would never ever invest in, regardless of the hype. Like the Gucci ones, I think they're beautiful on other people. I just can't imagine myself wearing it or even spending that much money on a belt. So the 5th and final one, you guys, the 5th thing that I would never ever buy, regardless of the hype, is the Hermes Birkin size 35. I'm not saying no to any Birkins, you guys, just the size 35. Just because my mom actually owns a Birkin and it's size 35, and she rarely uses it just because it's so dang heavy and the thing is huge. I just don't even know. It literally reminds me of the Celine Phantom or the luggage bags I've owned. I think the one that I had was like a mini or something, and it's very comparable to that weight wise and look wise. And it also reminds me of the YSL bag. I think, I don't know what the name is, but the little tote that YSL came out with. I know that the Hermes Birkin has been here forever, for ages, and all these brands are probably copying the look of the Hermes Birkin. But I just feel like the size 35 is a little too large, and for the time now, everyone's into micro and mini bags, and I feel like the size 30 or 25 is a little bit more fitting for my lifestyle and also for the look that I want to go for. And let's talk about the pricing of the Hermes Birkin, you guys. Ridiculous, right? You could get 4 or 5 bags with that price. But to each their own. Hey, I'm just here to share things that I would never buy. So if you have it, more power to you guys, but just not for me, all right? So that does it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was actually really fun to think of outside the box and things that I would never ever buy, just because I'm cheap sometimes and I just have my preference. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I shall see you on my next one. Namaste. Bye.